Hey guys, how you doing today? You can see here my beautiful Syngonium. This is a white butterfly. I bought this, oh boy, it was sometime this summer, maybe or end of spring, beginning of summer, somewhere around like that. I'm not sure. I repotted her, put her into a bigger pot. She is, you can see, she's beautiful. Look at those. But it started kind of turning, you can see like I hope I'm still in frame because I don't have my camera lens turned around. But you can see how she kind of turned colors. Here's a good example. Look at those. That's got paint on it from my trellis outside. Can you guys see that? Yeah. But anyways, I don't know if it's too much light, not enough light. It was on my front porch, so I'm assuming it's enough light. But what I would like to do is I have all of these long vines. I think there's like 4 of them. You can see the roots. See the roots coming out here? But what I would like to do, there's 2 over here. This one's kind of short. And then I've got 2 vines over here. Let me move my coffee before I spill. After I take a drink. But anyways, what I want to do is I have this trellis, and it's just a teepee trellis, and I want to try to either put her up on this trellis. This one might be too short. I may have to make a little bit bigger one, but if it doesn't look right, and even if I have to make another big one, I'll use it eventually on something. So, but if it doesn't look right up on the trellis, I'll just cut the long pieces off. I want to put her on my dining room table. Okay, let me adjust my camera and we will see what happens here. This is going to be a guessing game throughout the whole video. And I think I'll do the longer one first. I'm just going to bring her up here. I mean, this plant was bigger when I bought it. I bought it in, like, I think it was a 10-inch pot. I don't really remember. But, now it's in I believe a 14. Let's see here. Whoops. Alright, I'm going to use my just going to lightly oops, I totally missed the stake here. What the heck? Come on. There we go. Now, like I said, I may not like this, so I may have to do a taller one, or I may not like it at all, and I might just have to, like, cut those vines off and propagate them, which I don't know. I really don't want to do because I don't want a bunch of the same plant. I've got so many now, Syngoniums. I mean, I love this plant, but geez, you only have like so much room. Okay, I'm going to try putting this one, this is just a shorter one. going to try just sticking her up like this, and then I'll try to fill in. I'm just using green twist ties. There, now I'll kind of try to push some of this over. Okay, now I've got these over here. Let's see, where is this one going? This one is, okay, right here. Gosh, this is so full. I don't know where to go with it. I think so far I'm liking it. I have to do it and then step back and look at it, obviously, because you don't know what you're going to my birds, I swear, every time I do a video, they have to be very vocal. Okay, now this one, let's see, this one is, oh shoot, well that one's right there too. This one's trying to vine out. These had vines on them before, and I cut them off, and of course that just made them grow even more. Try to bring this up. And then maybe twirl it around like this. Oh, I gotta get another twist tie. I hope these twist ties hold this up. It should. I guess maybe put her around like that. I don't know. I don't know if I want a taller. Let's see. Can you guys see? Looks like it. Well, I don't know. I think I kind of like it. I might take this one and kind of put it like right here. See how that looks? I like it when it flows over, but where I want to put it, I mean, I have room, but, oops. There, and then I'll kind of try to, this is crazy. I might have to tie this piece up too. This is part of that, I should have had all of these cut before I started. You would think I would learn my lesson by now with trying to do something like this. I'm just hoping on my dining room table where I want to put her is going to be enough light. And I think it will be, because I have quite a bit of light in my my living room. I think I'm going to go ahead and secure this one down too. Right here in the middle. I have it at the top, but not in the middle. And then, I don't know. I don't know if I should put a taller, because this is going to grow, this is going to grow off this trellis really quickly. But I suppose I can just keep it cut. And this is the really pretty side. You know, once it starts growing up above the trellis, I can just keep it trimmed, or, you know, try to wrap it around a little bit more as I go, and then eventually I'll have to, you know, trim it. This thing is just so massive, and it's got more and more new growth coming out of it. Oh, isn't she pretty? This plant is just gorgeous. Alright, now I'm going to go in. I think I'm happy with that. I'm going to stand back. And then once it fills up more, I think my trellis is kind of crooked. I don't know, what do you guys think? Do you think I should put her up on a longer trellis, or I think maybe I should tie this one back too, because it's already going to start flapping over. But and I'll have to keep it turned how I have my lights. But I think that looks pretty good. I think I like it, because I didn't want it too tall. And I think once this gets used to growing up, you know, the leaves will stand up a little bit more. I'm going to pull some of these out of the middle here. Let's kind of refluff her back up. This side is really pretty. Like that. Okay, let me go put her on my dining room table, and we'll see how she looks there, and then I'll show you a few other plants I have in my dining room. Okay guys, here she is. Now it's going to be kind of loud. You're going to hear my fish tanks running, my filters. Nothing I can do about that. I cannot shut my fish filters off. I will try to adjust the sound on my video when I'm editing. But here she is on my dining room table, and I think I like it. I think it looks pretty cool right here. I will see how she does in the light. I can see that my trellis is a little bit crooked, but I have this light over here, and then I have a light over here that's on all the time, and my ceiling fan light, but that does not stay on. But I have another light that I ordered that's coming also, so it should be pretty good. And then the rest of my plants that I have up here, I have a Cebu blue plant hanging in my dining room archway between my kitchen and dining room. And then I have my philodendron epidermis up here. And then this is my turtle tank. I can't turn the lights on because there's a huge glare. But above my turtle tank, I have my beautiful shelf that my mom and dad gave me. Tuesday was me and my husband's 30th wedding anniversary, and they got us this beautiful shelf. I've got a Cebu blue up there on both ends, and then I've just got some pothos right here, and over here on this end. And then that crochet piece right there, it's a table runner my mom made me. I have all kinds of pieces from her. It's absolutely gorgeous. And then there's my grandson. He's so cute. And then down here in this corner I have my Syngonium. And then over here I have my other big Syngonium. And then I have my philodendron Brazil right here. Trying not to get too close to the fish tank because I know it's noisy. And then I have Syngoniums right here in water. And then I have some Wandering Jew in there that I stuck in. Look at the roots. Isn't that crazy? And then I have a green, I think it's called a green gem or green jade Syngonium up here on top of my fish tank. And then over here I have my philodendron, heartleaf philodendron. I have her in here. Then I have her up. And then over on top of my bird cage, I'll step back a little bit. Oops, if the dog gets out of the way. And my fishies, much better without the fish lights on. It was making a glare. Actually, my backlight is making a glare too, but if I don't have it on, you can't see nothing. And then this side with my Syngonium on my table. And then over here in this corner, I have, that is a, which one is this? Oh, it's right on the tip of my tongue. Oh, brother. I can't remember what it's called, you guys. It's a pothos. I don't know. I may think of it in a minute. Trying to be careful I don't trip over the dog. And then I have my Syngonium, another red Syngonium up here. I think it's called China something. And then my, I'm going to try not to trip over the dog. Then I have my cutlass up here and a fern. And then I have my variegated burl marks. Looks like she needs to be turned again. She's very pretty. So those are the plants that I have in my dining room. And I don't have room for any more in here, but I am getting a new light for over here. In this corner, I ordered it. It should be coming in soon. I'm going to put it up higher so it comes down. And then this light, I think I will be moving over here to my Syngonium in this corner. But maybe not, because she's growing fine right here. She's even got new growths. Oops. She's even got new growths coming out, so we'll see. We will see what she does. But alright guys, that is it. Thank you for watching, and I will talk to you later. Bye. Peace.